Best way to format integer as string with leading zeros. I need to add leading zeros to integer to make a string with defined quantity of digits, $CNT. What the best way to translate this simple function from PHP to Python? Is there a function that can do this?
You can use this fill method to pad a string with zeros.
The standard way is to use format string modifiers. These format string methods are available in most programming languages, via the sprint function in C for example, and are a handy tool to know about. To output a string of length 5. In Python 3.5 and above, if strings. Search for if strings here for more details. Python 2.6 and above. Before Python 2.6. See this URL.
Python 3.6 F strings allows us to add leading zeros easily. Have a look at this good post about this feature.
You most likely just need to format your integer. For example,
Python 2.6 allows this.